What's up guys, welcome back to part 2 of flocking dash. I'm really excited for this. I think this is going to make this look super good, and I know it's going to be a fun process, so let's get to it. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need your glue, color specific, it's black glue. I'm going to put that on the dash. Got the actual flocking fibers. And then there's the applicator. Probably not going to use that, but so that's that. So you're also going to need a way to get the glue onto the dash. So I just went to Ace Hardware and picked up like $7 worth of painting tools, so we can get that glue onto the dash. So you're going to want to lay down some kind of drop cloth because those particles are very, very fine and they'll go everywhere. And if you save them, you can actually reuse them. So it's good to not let those go to waste. I just happen to have a red tablecloth from all of our Christmas decorations that we set up today. And we aren't going to use it this year, so it's a perfect drop cloth. I don't have to spend any money on it. So first, I'm going to wipe down the dust and the grease and just try and get it as clean as possible so that the glue has no problem sticking. It's just some soapy water. Here it is. Finally got it flocked. That was close. So it's really lumpy right now because of all the excess, but as soon as it dries, we can shake this off and it'll be smooth. It's hard to get that all done in 15 minutes, but we did it. Only a few spots, but that's alright. So yeah, come back to you when it's dry. Oh, that was cool. Well, from the distance it looks pretty good, but as you get closer it's like really spotted. But there are spots that look super clean. Like this is awesome. The front here is alright. Made a mess with all the fibers. It's kind of cool. Alright guys, so here's the dash in the car. It doesn't look too bad from a distance, and in the shade it actually looks really good, but unfortunately I think when we put it in the sun, the spots didn't show up a lot more. It's still really